So hello again, this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard going, hey, that was an experiment that I'm going to try hard not to wish I hadn't made. And I'm going to do some weird stuff to it just to make it palatable to me. And that might be whatever strikes my fancy at the time, including adding some favorite colors. And that could be turquoise. And that could be black. That could be black if it comes out. Because there are some things I like about it, but not enough of them. Ooh, double stream, cool. So what's the last thing to put in there? Yep, this is me giving myself permission to go crazy. Let's see where this takes me. I got a heck of a tile to clean off, I'll tell you what. I've just used the heck out of my basting brush. I like the colors I've got. I don't want to waste the paint I've got. I've got some neat things going on in the background, and it might be just what the doctor ordered, doing exactly what I'm doing. And I might not be doing anything else other than it. Of course, I could also swipe a few things, which is okay. That especially up there, right there. Otherwise, I think I'm in love. Wow, surprise. I'm going to touch up my edges and clean my hands after this and tell you guys whatever I forgot to tell you in the last video, which is pretty much everything other than giving me a thumbs up, please. And there's a contest running every month. I'm just going to keep touching up my edges for a minute before we torch. I like what happened there. I like the colors. I like the extremeness of it. I like how different it is from anything else. I'm pretty happy with all of that. I've still got plenty of paint over on my edge catcher, which I might actually use on another painting. You can never tell. Actually, you can probably pretty much tell that if it's usable, I'm going to find a way to use it. So I've got a little bit of canvas showing there, and I'm not sure why. But I've got great background colors, and I kind of want to use my spatula to release some more of that fabulous selling that's going on. But I like all my stripes, so it makes it hard to want to take that chance. So I'm going to throw my new spatula in the bucket. And I'm going to be really happy I did not torch to gum up the surface. I'm going to wipe off my hands a little bit and get busy. I love the stripes behind what I just added. We torched to release the bubbles in the paint. In there from mixing in pouring mediums, most generally. At least that's my opinion so far. If I've got someplace I need to touch, I'm going to stick my finger in it. I love the stripy patterns poking through the back of this. I'm glad that I gave myself permission to stop. I really do want to go find a balloon. I think this is absolutely magnificent, to tell you the truth. Weird as that might sound. I'm pretty happy, except for with that one little spot. Anyway, so we torched to release patterns in the paint too, which does happen when you warm the paint because you're changing the structure by heating it. And I think we're pretty good. I'm going to go pick up my crib sheet while you guys stare at that for a minute. We have some nice cells. I never put any silicone into my artwork, and I have GAC 800 by Golden in all of my paints. It's the first ingredient I add to the paint to make sure that the paint doesn't crack. Do I want to do anything anywhere? Sort of, kind of, but not really, because I like it, and it's pretty satisfying. Am I really sure that I'm capable of doing that? Come out. Give me a little bit more. I like how the black looks. I can't help it. I don't know what's going to stay and what's going to sink, but I'm hoping it's all going to stay. That would be what I would like. Anyway, so I have Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter feeds underneath the video underneath Show More, along with the paint pouring recipe. And I give classes at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, indoor classes. I do sell my artwork, so if you're interested, please contact me. My website is in the last 20 seconds of the video on the end screens, along with a playlist of over 750 videos that if you're in the mood to binge, I can help you with that. Yes, I can't stop myself. I am a compulsive. I did just throw some dots up there, and I could probably do it again, but they're not showing up anywhere else, so maybe that was the one place they were meant to be. And I'm not going to worry about it. I'm just going to wipe off my tool and get back to reading. So I have the Amazon link I told you guys in the last video is under Show More, and it's the blue link. It has the Because I Can book with the first 100 processes and videos. Yeah, I know I'm back doing it again. From YouTube, from Wet and Dry Artworks, and also the mica powders and tools and canvases and paints and all kinds of cool stuff. And if you shop there at no added cost to you, it helps me out. On Facebook, I have Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group for students and Expressionist Art Studio Gallery for fans and collectors, which is self-explanatory. If there's anything I can ever help you with, please feel free to ask a question. If I can answer it, I'll do it in the most timely way I possibly can. If you want to communicate with me, the best way lately is to communicate with me through my website. I do get your comments on Facebook, but they don't allow me to, YouTube, but they don't allow me to give you an email address anymore, I seem to have noticed. And yeah, I did that, and that's okay with me. I'm pretty happy with this. Thank you guys for joining me. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard going, wow, it's hot, but I think I'm going to be doing another painting because I got a lot of stuff left on this edge catcher over here. See? All right. You guys take care. Watch some videos. Give me a thumbs up, please. I really appreciate that. I'm going to leave those dots up there because I can. Bye for now. I love you guys. I love you guys, all 75,000 of you plus. Take care. See you tomorrow, maybe. Hope to see you soon in any case. Bye now.